Cheers, Colorado Red Extreme. I feel the hiccups coming on, but I might be able to get mind over matter. Oh, I couldn't get mind over matter. It's it's more of a traditional. It's more of a traumatizing, extra burn. This is all Carolina Reaper burn here. That sumbitch is hot AF. That is a very hot sauce. I am a dumbass, so you don't have to be. Colorado Red Extreme. I've been warned, and after eating this sumbitch right here, I'm scared. Colorado Red Extreme. Our hottest sauce is made with one of the world's hottest peppers, the Carolina Reaper pepper. This sauce